Hello, Sarma Bricks. Finally, I managed to do some progress and I can show you how the city in the evening looks like. So, what has been changed? So, I've added some lighting to the buildings in the street, like Harry Potter buildings, these two after diagonal alley. Then these two buildings, of course, also got the lighting installed. Let me take a view of the street right here. So yeah, so this street is pretty bright, and I'm also planning to add more lighting to missing sets. So hopefully every single building will be with the lights. And the main thing that probably most of you that come to my channel was wondering, what about the Eiffel Tower? Previously, in the last video, it was not present, and now it is. So I guess it's time to light it up and see how it works right now. Here it is with all its glory. It is stunning. It's a bit different lighting that I had previously. So this is only white light. It's not anymore blue, white, and red as used to be. So now it is only this one. So as you can see with the wide camera, it looks really, really awesome. And another thing that probably I want to show you guys is how it works, because it has its own remote control. I don't know if you are able to see it. Let me put it in the brighter area. So yeah, we have remote control for the Eiffel Tower, which is amazing this time. So let's try to do some things. So now I can do this thing, and I can do it slower or faster depending on what I need. So as you can see, a lot of possibilities right now. Also, I can make it pulsing like this. I can make it blinking and flickering. And of course, I can change the brightness. So actually, this is pretty awesome. So now it is at full brightness, and I really like how it is. And even this effect is quite nice actually. When you look at the city, Eiffel Tower goes from bottom to the top. So pretty good. So yeah, I'm really happy with the results that I got from the installing LED lights. So this is one thing that makes me come to this room and enjoy every single bit of the city. Let me know what you think, guys, in comments below regarding the new lighting that has been installed. And yeah, now I will be planning to add some lightnings to other buildings like Venetian House, the Christmas building right here, the corner one, and the train station right here. Also, yeah, I've noticed that my gas station is without lights. That is also bad. But that will be corrected pretty soon. And then I guess I will move on with creating more buildings on the Mills plate. because for now, whole this street is with the Mills plate. All this area as well, this area as well, the one that we see in the back as well. So now the area with the Simpson sets and the Old Town, as I call it, needs to be redone. And once it will be done, I will be moving to medieval village, which I'm trying to do slowly, but yeah, it's going. I will share the update probably in next few weeks, but for now, I'm really happy to look at the city. So yeah, stay tuned. Do not forget to push subscribe button and see you probably quite soon. Thank you for watching.